My dear Scouter, Guider and Scouts and Guides, I welcome to this channel. In our district, the Scouts and Guides should know about scouting and guiding. They should have some knowledge in the scout movement. So, as my desire, I have tried to upload this channel, upload these videos regarding Pravesh Part 1 in this channel. Scouting Guiding Part 1 Pravesh for English medium students alone. By English, I am giving separate videos. For Tamil medium students, I am giving Tamil medium videos separately. Okay. As for my introduction, I am B. Sharada, Pre-ILT in Guide Wing. Now I am waiting for a result. So I have given my qualification, guiding qualification inside the bracket. Guide Captain. I am working as a guide captain in a private school of Theni. Okay. The first lesson is the Scout Guide Promise. Let us come to the lesson. First, let us see what is the syllabus for Pravesh. Holistic knowledge of the movement, origin of scouting and guiding, scout or guide, promise and law. Scout law, promise law, both are same. Guide motto, scout or guide motto, sign, salute and left hand shake. Know the parts of scout or guide uniform and how to wear it. Know the composition and significance of the national flag. 3 flags are there. One thing is national flag. Next is the Bharat Scouts and Guides flag. And the World Scout flag or Guide flag. World Scout flag or World Guide flag. And the flag etiquette. Next topic. Attend 4 company meetings. Then undertake a 4-hour purposeful outing with her patrol. These are the syllabus for Pravesh. In this syllabus, we are going to see as a first lesson, Scout or Guide Promise. There is a method to write this promise. We have to write promise only in 4 lines alone. First line, second line, third line, fourth line. Suppose if you feel the first line is very longer, means you can cut the line and you have to start the words from here, not from the beginning. Am I clear? That is, first line, on my honor, I promise that. Next, you have to write, I will do my best here. But in any case, you should know, you have to show that I have completed the promise only in 4 lines. Clear? Okay. Next to see, the second line and third line, fourth line, 2. The lines are starts with 2, 2, 2. Okay. Let me once read the promise. On my honor, I promise that I will do my best. On my honor, comma, stop there, take while. I promise that I will do my best to do my duty. To whom? First to God, next to my country. To do my duty to God and my country. To help other people and to obey the Scout law or to obey the Guide law. Am I clear? Okay. Note. The word dharma may be substituted for the word God if so desired. So in the place of God, you can use dharma word also. Clear? In the place of, you can replace the God by dharma. The word dharma. Okay, now we are going to see the explanation of each and every line. This is the sign. This is our sign. Here 3 fingers are shown. That is called threefold promise. Okay, this finger, the first finger talks about the first rule, to do my duty to God and my country. Okay, first here we are going to see what's the meaning my duty to God. To God, what are we going to do? We must remember God first. Every day we have to think God. Early morning we have to fresh up ourselves. Then we have to think, remember God first. We may belong to any of the different faiths. We may be Hindus, Christians, Buddhists, Jains or Sikh. But God is one. Whatever the religion may be belongs, but God is one. Let us learn to be grateful to God for our joys and such success as may come our way. That in our way, we are feeling happy. In day-to-day life, we are feeling happy, joys, everything. And we are getting success. Who is the reason? We should be grateful to God. This is a type of duty to God. Let us learn to seek courage from Him. We have to learn courage from Him. If any rivers befall us, at any moment, we have to be courage. This we have to seek only from God. This is called duty to God. Clear, children? Duty to God, na? We have to remember God, whatever religion we follow. Next, to do my duty to my country. Now we are going to see how we are going to do duty to my country. What do you mean by country? Means all the types of people will be there who are following, that is irrespective of faith, language, dress and background. So, we should not show any partiality among them. We have to move with them in friendly manner. As a scout and guide, you should learn to live in a friendly manner with all those who may be with you from any part of the country, irrespective of faith, language, dress and background. Your life should be dedicated to the service of others and the betterments of the conditions of people around you. Country means nothing but the people around us. We are surrounded by the people around us. So many people are there. We are living in the society. The human are called a society, social animal. So we have to think about betterments of the condition of people around us. That is duty to my country. I think so. You are clear. Next point. Second finger in threefold promise. The second finger say the line to help other people. To help other people. This part of the promise is easiest to understand. It is very clear. We have to help to other people. So it is easiest to understand. It is your pledge to help others in the small task of your life. See, the boy, he awake from morning early in the morning and he has to neat his bed. That is his duty. So he is helping to his parents. Next, see, he is helping to mummy. And then he is doing the work in the family and he is coming out to the school. She is helping a boy in learning and he is helping to a old lady, and we have to help to others to get some progress, to come up. Okay. In the scouting, a very good movement is there. That is, a scouting is a very good movement in that one work is good turn. These are called good turn. Good turn starts from the home, ourselves, then help to friends, and help to parents, help to friend, and in the society. So, without any reward or award, without any expectation, what do we help? That is called good turn. Like that, we have to take small tasks in our life and we have to help other people. Shall we go to the third point? Yes. In threefold promise, third finger denotes to obey the scout law or guide law. Okay. Scout or guide law is 1, but points are 9. Now we are learning promise, but in the promise, third point is we have to obey our scout law or guide law. That is, we have to obey for law. Law is only 1 law, but points are 9. We have to realize, understand meaning of the law, and we have to obey the law. Clear? In that, 1 point is loves nature. The scouts and guides loves nature and friend to animals. There is friend to animals. Dear children, I think so. You have clear now, right? On my honor, you have to honor the word. When you hear the word honor, in the quote they use this word. So come to the quote. On my honor, I promise that I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to help other people and to obey the scout law or guide law. Clear now? You all understood. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.